Hello children, welcome to class 6. Today we will start the first chapter of science, food. Where does it come from? This is a very interesting chapter related to our day-to-day life. We all eat different kinds of food at different times. What is your favorite food? Now just imagine, can you eat your favorite food every day and every time? That means, can you eat your favorite food in breakfast, lunch and dinner every day? No, we can't do that. We need variety in food. Okay, now tell me, why do we need food? Yes, we need food because it provides energy to us. It is helpful to do all kind of day-to-day activities we do. You must be aware about different uses of food. Now, come to the first topic of this chapter, that is food variety. We will do this very interesting activity, activity 1. In this activity, we will try to find out that what food items we eat in a day. For example, a table is given here. Here I will write the name of any one of you. For example, Tanishka. What food item eaten in a day? Like boiled rice, dal, vegetable, curry. In this way, you prepare a table and try to find out that what food items you eat in a day. Don't go to your friend's home to ask that what he or she has eaten today. What you will do? You will just give a call to your best friend and ask him or her to tell that what food items he or she eats in a day. After doing this activity, you will come to know that we eat variety of food items in a day. Now, have you ever had a thought that what are these food items made up of? These food items are made up of different ingredients or materials. We used to call it ingredients. You must have heard it that your mom says that we need raw rice to prepare boiled rice. There are some items which are made up of only two ingredients, but many food items are made up of many ingredients. To prepare vegetable curry means the vegetable which we eat. Vegetable curry, we need different kinds of vegetables, salt, spices, oil, etc. After doing this activity 1, we will come to know that There are so many types of foods. There is a variety in food which we eat every day. Now we will do one more activity. Activity 2. In this activity, we will choose some food items and try to find out the ingredients present in that food item. For example, roti or chapati is made by atta and water. Next, dal. Dal is prepared by pulses, water, salt, oil or ghee, and spices. What is your favorite pulses? Okay, I like moong dal most. Dear children, you have to prepare a table in which write at least 10 food items and their ingredients. After doing this activity, we will come to know that so many type of ingredients are there, and with the help of a single ingredients we can prepare different variety of foods. Like with the help of rice we can prepare different type of food items. Can you give me the name of the food items prepared by rice? The very next question which crossed to our mind is that what are the sources of these food materials? You can very easily find out the sources of some food materials like fruits and vegetable, from where they obtained. Yes, of course, from plants. What are the sources of rice and wheat? Yes, they are also obtained from plants. There are food items like milk, egg, and meat which come from animals. Now come to the activity 3. Yes, in this activity we will prepare a table in which we will write the different sources of ingredients. In this table in column 1 we will take the name of food item, then its ingredients, then its sources. Can you tell me the sources of urad dal? Yes. Plant. Salt. There may be many sources of salt. Here I am writing, see, water. Water. Again there are so many sources of water. You can write it here. Can you tell me the source of spices, children? Very good. Very interesting one. From where we get the sugar? Yes. Now, what you have to do? Prepare a table. Write at least 10 food items and their ingredients and sources of those ingredients. After doing this activity, you will come to know that different food items are obtained by different parts of a plant. We will discuss it further that which plant part produce which ingredient of a food item. Look at this diagram. Different edible parts of a plant. Isn't it beautiful, children? Have you noticed a plant ever? Yes, very good. In a plant, we have root system. In root system, there is a main root which is known as primary root. Some roots are coming out from this primary root and are known as secondary root. This part, that means root system, is present underground. Have you noticed any plant which have the roots in air? Try to find out. Okay, now this part of plant is present above the ground, which mainly contain leaf, stem and fruits and flower. I repeat it: leaf, stem, fruits, flower. You may observe some birds also. I will tell you about node and internode separately. So, the whole plant can be divided into two parts: root system and shoot system. Root system contain primary root and secondary root. This aerial part means the part which present above the ground, contain bud, leaf, stem, fruit and flower. Now it is very interesting to know that which part of a plant is edible. Do you have any idea of that? Okay. Here we will write different plant part which are used as a food. Example: food item with plant as a major source. Ingredient or sources: plant part which gives us the ingredient. The first one, brinjal curry, which is prepared by brinjal, chili, oil. Brinjal is a fruit. Chili is also a fruit. Oil obtained from seeds. Just like that, we will prepare a table of different food items, ingredients of that food item, and then we will write that plant part which gives us that ingredients. One more very interesting activity is given here. That is how we can obtain sprouts. How many of you eat sprouts in your breakfast? We will do this activity in our next lesson.